Let's move to question number 4. This question is written in different pattern. 52 multiplied by 14. So you need to arrange both of the digits first in columns and then you will do the multiplication together. So 52 is your multiplicand, 14 is your multiplier. Let's write them one below the other as I had taught you to write. 52 multiplied by 14. So 14 is at 1's place and 2 is at 1's place. Then 5 and 1 are at 10's place. Okay, and the sign of multiplication at the left corner. Let's multiply them together, repeating the same process. First you need to multiply 52 by 4. Okay, so it is 4 2s are 8. Okay, then 4 5s are 20. No number is carried over here. 20. अब आपको इससे 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करने के लिए मैंने क्या बोला, आप राइट साइड की एक डिजिट को छोड़ देंगे, मतलब मीनिंग आप 1's प्लेस की डिजिट को छोड़ के 10's प्लेस से लिखना स्टार्ट करेंगे, मल्टीप्लिकेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे. ठीक है, तो उसके लिए हमने यहाँ पे 0 लिखा. 1 2s are 2. ओके, 1 5s are 5. So just add them together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 0 plus 2 gives you 2. Then 2 plus 5 gives you 7. Okay, so the product here is 728. Children, let's do the next question. That is question number 6, in which you have to multiply 59 by 23. So first you need to arrange them in columns. Okay, then multiply them together. So write 5 9 here, 10s and 1s, and 23 just below it. Okay, so 1s to 1s and 10s to 10s, and the sign of multiplication at the left corner. Then you need to draw a margin or line, you can say, here just to multiply it. As I have told you, or I have taught you, that you have to first to multiply the 1's digit with both of these digits. ठीक है, आपको मल्टीप्लायर की पहले 1's डिजिट को मल्टीप्लिकेंट की दोनों डिजिट से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ठीक है, फिर 10's प्लेस की डिजिट को मल्टीप्लिकेंट के दोनों डिजिट से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई 59 by 3. So 3 9s are 27. Right, 7 of 27 and 2 is carried over here. Okay, then 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. So you need to write 1 7 17 here. Then as you know that this is the 10th digit you are multiplying, so you need to leave this place, 1's place here. So you will have to replace it with 0. आप 0 से replace कर सकते हैं, आप यहाँ पे क्रॉस भी लगा सकते हैं. ठीक है, this is up to you. Then multiply them one by one. 2 9s are 18. ठीक है, so 18. Okay, 8 of 18 and 1 is carried over here. Okay, then 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 it is 11. So 11 आपने 11 का 1 जो है आपने 1's प्लेस पे लिखा, here hundreds के नीचे, और यहाँ पर आपका जो 10s वाला 1 है वो इसके आगे 1000's प्लेस पे जाएगा. ठीक है, एंड दिस देन यू नीड टू एड देम टुगेदर. ओके, जस्ट एड देम. 7 plus 0 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 5 of 15, 1 again is carried over here. So 1 plus 2, 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So you need to write 3 over here. Then 1 here, there is no digit on the 1000th place above, so you will add 1 will come down here. So the answer is 1357. Let's do question number 8. Here the multiplicand for you is 82 and the multiplier for you is 98. Let's multiply them together. So first we'll be writing the digits in columns 82 and 98. I hope you all have understood this, that how to write digits one below the other. ठीक है, अब 8 से हम पहले मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 82 को. 8 2s are 16. Okay, 1 is carried over here. 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 1, it is 65. Children, you need to learn the tables at least till 9. ठीक है, आपको 9 तक तो टेबल्स आनी ही चाहिए वेरी फ्लुएंटली, अदरवाइज विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू द मल्टीप्लीकेशन करेक्टली. ओके, अब आप टेंस प्लेस के डिजिट को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 82 से. आपको क्या करना है, राइट कॉर्नर की डिजिट को लीव करना है, रिप्लेस करना है उसको 0 से. अब आप लिखना कहां से शुरू करेंगे, टेंस प्लेस के डिजिट से स्टार्ट करेंगे. 9 2s are 18. ओके, सो 8 of 18 and 1 is carried over here. 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 1, it is 73. So here you have to write 73. Then the last step, you have to add them together. 6 0 6. 8 plus 5, it is 13. 3 of 13, 1 is carried over. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So 0 of 10 and 1 is carried here. 7 plus 1 gives you 8. So the answer is 8036. Children, here in the next question, the digits of multiplicand have been increased. Earlier you were doing the multiplication with 2-digit numbers, but here you have one more digit has been added to the numbers, and the digits have now become up to hundreds place. So you have to multiply 146 by 24. Let's multiply them. 146 by 24. So आपके पास 24 में कहां तक की प्लेस वैल्यू की डिजिट्स हैं, वंस एंड टेंस. सो वंस के नीचे आप 4 लिखेंगे और यू विल बी राइटिंग 2 एट द टेंस प्लेस. द प्रोसेस वुड बी सेम. चलिए, अब 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे आप 146 को. पहले हम 6 से मल्टीप्लीकेशन करेंगे. 4 6 are 24. So 4 of 24 and 2 is carried here. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2, it is 18. 1 is carried over here. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so you need to put 0 over here because we'll be starting the multiplication from the tens place. So 2 6 are 12. 1 is carried over here. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1, it is 9. Then 2 1s are 2. Then let's add them together. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 2 is 10. So 0 of 10 and 1 is carried over. 1 plus 5 makes 6. 6 plus 9 makes 15. So 5 of 15 and 1 is carried over here. 1 plus 2 is 3. So the product is 3504. This is your answer. Okay children, in question number 11 you have to multiply 241 by 32. Let's multiply them together. 241 by 32. आप देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे जो डिजिट्स है वो हंड्रेड्स प्लेस वैल्यू तक हैं, लेकिन जो आपकी मल्टीप्लाई के डिजिट्स हैं वो टेंस प्लेस वैल्यू तक ही हैं. सो हमने 1 के नीचे 2 लिखा है. बोथ ऑफ दीज डिजिट्स आर एट वंस प्लेसेस. देन 4 and 3 आर एट टेंस प्लेसेस. देयर इज नो डिजिट एट 100 प्लेसेस. सो आई हैव पुट the sign of multiplication at the left corner. Let's multiply them one by one. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Okay, there is no digits. Okay, so we have to leave the ones place and replace the number by 0. Then we have to do the multiplication by the digit 3. So 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. So 2 of 12 and 1 is carried over. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Let's add them together. 2 0. 2, 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 is carried over. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Here there are no numbers at the thousands place, so 7 will come down separately. Like, okay.